here, Arthur, come here. Got back from walking Jackson and Arthur. This one likes to pool a lot, and then this one likes to be a anchor and just sit there. So it's me in the middle, and then this one pulling this way, and that one sitting down that way. So I'm just stretched out. I have a week of that because I'm taking care of Sean's dogs, but I love them. They're very cute, and they cuddle with me at night. But now gotta do some work stuff, and then don't really know what my rest of the day is after work. So we'll see. So many noises in New York. But I just got some Thai food from a restaurant. Khao Thai. We'll see how that goes, how it tastes. And then I had to get poop bags for Arthur and Jackson because they ran out, and I was too lazy to look like thoroughly through Sean's apartment to find bags, so just bought some. Yeah, I see the appeal to New York. It's cool. I like walking around and seeing like the fire escapes. I think are really cool, and the super high skyscrapers are also really cool. But yeah, this place was not too far from Sean's apartment, so. Look, spilled so much. Good. Here's what we got today. Oh shit, that's a lot of stuff. Thai tea, good, and we got some Khao Soi, which is banging. Well, I just got done working maybe like an hour or two ago. I was just chilling out the house. Took Arthur and Jackson for another walk. But I'm eating pizza again. I've had pizza for 3 days straight since I got to New York. I think at this point I'm just gonna try a new pizza spot every day till I leave. But yeah, I'm just gonna eat pizza, watch the Mavs game, and then go to bed. So hopefully Mavs in 7, but who knows? Well, that's basically it for day 1 of the work week in New York. Peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up.